In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated educational video with letters in Canva. Start by opening a video-sized design in Canva and choosing a template you like. You can keep the layout or start clean. The key is to change the background color so your content stands out. Pick a color with strong contrast against white text and bright graphics so everything remains readable on desktop and mobile. Next, go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, look for a 3D letter, such as 3D letter A, and add one to your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corner handles and place it where you want your main focus to be. If you see pink alignment guides, use them to center or align the letter consistently. Now add a square shape from Elements to create a neat container for your word and image. Resize the square into a card-like panel and position it on the right side of the canvas. This sets up a clear left-to-right visual flow that works well for teaching. Add text using the text tool and type a simple word, for example apple, to match the letter. Change the font to something bold and clean for legibility. Color the first letter A in red and keep the rest of the word white to emphasize the letter you're teaching. Click Effects and choose Outline to give the word extra definition. You can tweak the thickness and color so it stays readable against your background. Reposition the text so it sits nicely inside the square with comfortable margins. Head back to Elements and search for an apple image or graphic. Insert it, resize it to fit the square, and balance it with the text so neither element crowds the other. Select the square, the text, and the apple image together and group them. Grouping keeps everything locked in place so you can move or animate the set as one unit. Shorten the page duration to keep the pacing snappy. A couple of seconds works well for quick letter reveals. Duplicate the page so you have two versions. Return to the first page and drag the grouped elements slightly off to a corner so they're just outside the canvas. This sets up a smooth entrance. Between the two pages, click Add Transition and choose Match and Move. Adjust the transition duration to control the speed of the motion. Shorter feels snappier, longer feels more gentle. Finally, click Preview to watch your animated letter, word, and image glide into place. You now have a clean, educational animation ready to build on for the rest of the alphabet.